with my 3D printed model. Oh, I can search on YouTube. Wow, there's a lot of video. Okay, so I need a metal foundry. I also need a pressure vessel. Okay, I'm done. I have none of it. If that is you, then you're in the right video, because at the end of the video you can do a metal cast with your 3D printed model without a metal foundry or pressure vessel. All you need is baby powder and low temperature metal. So let's get started. Ta-da! So today I'm gonna cast this small little tower. So the first step is to make a mold container. The circle I'm drawing is the wall. Make sure it's 1 centimeter away from the model, even from the top. I use super glue to attach the model to the bottom. Next step is pulling silicone. So if you don't know what silicone to buy, don't panic, I have a list in the description. The mixed ratio of base compound and catalyst is 100 to 2. So I have a small little tricks for you. Before you actually pull silicone, you may want to brush silicone on the model. In a way, avoid air traps. Eventually end up with a better silicone casting. For pulling silicone, remember to do it slowly. Without the air vessel, you see there's a lot of air bubbles in the silicone. To my experience, I don't find it a big problem. I never see any air bubbles in the final outcome. So let it sit there for a few hours and we'll get back to this after that. Okay, let's see what we got. Oh, wow, it's a beautiful cast. Now, this is the key. We don't use air vessel. We use baby powder instead. Just brush the powder on the inner side. It helps the metal flow through the whole model. With this method, you can entirely skip the vacuum with the pressure vessel. So we just need a very thin layer of powder on the inside, so make sure there's no powder stuck inside. Step 4. Pulling metal into the mold. The melting point of silicone is around 200 to 300 degrees, so we need to buy this type of metal. People call it low temperature metals. It melts at around 100 degrees only, which is perfect. And again, if you don't know where to buy low temperature metal, I have several links in the description. Guys, time to demo. Oh boy, look at it. Every details. You can even see some of the printing lines from the 3D printer. The surface look a little rough for now, so we need a little bit of polishing. Look, it's much better. Now we have beautiful, shiny, metallic-like texture. So, the outcome is really satisfying. You know, from its weight and its texture, it's real metal, man. I mean, if you give it out as a gift, everyone will like it. As you can see, I don't use crazy fancy equipment. The process is very simple, and if you already have a 3D printer, you don't need a lot of investment. So there's absolutely no reason not to do it. Alright, just a second. Okay, so I actually do quite a lot of props making for films and videos. So these props are actually 3D printed. I design them and then I print them and then I polish them and I make it. So I actually do like props making, and that's actually a lot to learn in props making and a lot for me to share with you guys. So if you guys want me to share about this, let me know from the comments below. I will definitely make more videos for you. So that's it for today, and if you guys like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. And yeah, see you next time.